Hi everyone, welcome to another video on my channel. In today's video, let's unbox our new LG microwave oven. We have placed this order from Amazon. It's a 28-liter microwave oven and the model number is MC2446SL. It's a convection microwave and we chose to go with silver color. This microwave also comes with a starter kit, and on screen you can see the complete product description as shown on the Amazon website. The order has just arrived. Let's quickly unbox and see how it looks like. The size of the box is larger than expected, and you can also see a small startup kit here. Now, place the oven on the level location of your choice with more than 85 centimeter height, but make sure there is at least 30 centimeter of space on the top and 10 centimeter at the rear for proper ventilation. The front of the oven should be at least 8 centimeter from the edge of the surface to prevent tipping. An exhaust outlet is located on bottom or side of the oven. Blocking the outlet can damage the oven. Now, as you can see, the oven comes with a glass tray and a rotating ring. First, place the rotating ring at the bottom, above which goes the glass tray. Fix the glass tray properly above the rotating ring so that it moves in a circular motion. And the best part is this oven also comes with two racks for grilling. Now, if you are someone who loves grilling your food, then this is the best microwave. There is a grill option, as you can see on the control panel. Let's unbox and see what's inside the free startup kit. All in all, the kit has a medium-sized container, two small bowls, three spoons, and two idli plates. The quality is not too great. My most favorite part is this book that came along with the oven. This book has few recipes that you can try, like soups and snacks, Indian meals, international meals, tandoori platter, desserts, few oil-free recipes, how to cook a pizza, cheese omelette, and many more. Needless to say, there is also a owner's manual that includes detailed installation steps, safety precautions, do's and don'ts, few recipes, and how to use the control panel. As you can see, there is also a complimentary cookery class coupon. I'm gonna make another complete video on how to use the microwave, the control panel, and its full functionalities. So do watch this space for our next video. I hope this video was helpful and informative. If yes, please like this video, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.